Sir! Sir Sidney! Pakicheck yung live. Kung okay lang yung ano. Oh, dito ako. Sir, mga veterano yan. Yan, sir. Ito yan, sir. Yan, sir. Subukan yan. Kita na rito sa screen eh. Okay. First game. Triple threats versus 6-7. First game. Triple threat, black. And 6-7, white. Gamble? Basket? Or incomplete uniform. White incomplete uniform. Okay, pasok first five, both teams. Jumbo. First ball possession, block. Atake kagad ng jersey number 16. Sa low post ang pasa, intercepted bad pass. Nakakuha ka ng jersey number 77. Drop pass to jersey number 9. Outbound. Loose ball, turnover. Babal jersey number 16. Scouting the floor, pass to jersey number 19. Penetrate jersey number 3. Engaging, a pull-up, no basket. Naritrip yan. Defensive rebound para sa White. Jersey number 77, hinaharas. Penetrate. Drop pass to jersey number 7. Atake sa baseline. Off the glass. Wala. Off the ring. Atake ang 3. Pass break sa 16. Drives through and throws a foul and a basket. Basket count. Jersey number 9, first personal foul. And first team foul on a White team. Bonus shot. And 1. Wala ang N1. Backs out ng White yan. Jersey number 6. Hinaharas kaagad as the jersey number 77. Nakita sa low post. Outbound. Loses the ball. Turnover. Out of bound. May isang bola pa dyan. Nakabasa na yun. Turnover sa block. Jersey number 16 on the left wing. Switch back on the right wing. Transition of play. Penetrate sa baseline. And draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 77. First personal foul. And second team foul on a White team. First throw. Basket count. Second throw. One out of 2. Back out yan ng Black. Denied. Black yan ng big man. Shot clock down to 7. Shot clock winding down. On the right wing. Penetrate. A pull up on the side. No basket. Shot clock violation. No basket count. Naritlit pa yun ng backs out ng White. Area. Scouting the floor, surveying the floor. Pass to jersey number 9. On the left wing, atake sa baseline. Drop pass on 9. Intercepted the bad pass. Atake all the way. Coast to coast. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. It's 8-0. And draws a foul, a reaching foul by jersey number 16. Sideline throwing, shot clock down to 21. On the left wing, aim for 3, connects 3 points. Carton block as jersey number 16. Switch back. Jersey number 3. On the left wing, inward pass. 24 na ipit. Hesitate. Kick out. Sa inward pass sa 19. Layup. Basket. 10-3. White down by 7 points. Asmila. Penetrate. Sidestep layup. And denied. Shot lock down to 14. That's the jersey number 5. Shot lock winding down. Pinasa sa big man. Drop pa sa 7. Atake sa baseline. Shoot. Shoot! Defensive rebound, 19 para sa block. Atake ngayon. Jersey number 3. Switch back sa 3. Shot lock down to 10. Inward pa sa 19. Nakit sa baseline yun. Deflected. Shot lock down to 6. Shot lock down to 6. Atake 16. On top of the key. In and out. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha ng big man ng White. Defensive rebound. Atake 9. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Jersey number 3 surveying the floor. Pass to jersey number 24. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound 1. Pass to jersey number 77. Point guard ng White. Si jersey number 9 on top of the key. Off the ring, overshoot. Defensive rebound 18. Kaya ngayon, crossover move. 4-in-1 situation. Oh, and loses the ball. Turnover. Outnumber ang opensa ron. Substitution, mandatory. Turnover para sa White. Turnover for White. Okay. Jersey number 9. Opensa. Asa on the right wing. Inward pass. Takes and pop. No basket. Last touch block. Same ball possession. Shot lock 14. Shot lock down to 14. Penetrate. Pull up. And draws a foul. Jersey number 7. A pushing foul. First throw. Basket count. Second throw. It's a 2 for 2. Timeout. Block. Okay, back to the ball game. White down by 3 points. Discarte ang block. Jersey number 2. Inward pass sa 26. Kick out on the right wing. Shoot. Outbound. Turnover. Switch back sa 9. Low post. Sa backdoor. Reverse layup. No basket. And jersey number 9 controls the board. Atake 26. Engaging. Hinaharas siya. Scrambling for the ball. Nawa. Retrieve ng 26. Drop pass sa 2. Shoot! Offensively. Steal. Steal din niya ng 9. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound, 24, controls the board, pass, Bretnan, jersey number 16. Philip Oop, and reaching foul, by jersey number 12. Shot clock reset to 14. 3 minutes and 35 in this first period. Shot lock down. Counting down fake. Oops. Reverse layup and throws a foul. Jersey number 26. First throw, basket. Second throw. Basket count. It's a 2-for-2. White down by 1 point. Penetrate Dose, engaging layup. Connects 2 points. A finger roll. 12-9. 3-point lead block. Jersey number 69. Hernandez. Low post pass. On the side of the ring. Same ball possession. Shot clock 13. In the corner. Hinaharas ka agad. Penetrate. Drop pass sa 16. Layup. No basket. Reverse layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. 26. Hinaharas. Steal. A pull up. No basket. Another offensive rebound. Penetrate. Drop pass sa 24. Teardrop. Basket. 11-12 at even score. 1 point lead block. On top of the key of the ring. And jersey number 9 secures the ball. Denied. Shot lock down to 8. Shot lock down to 8. Inward pa sa 26. Penetrate. Hinaras. Shot lock violation. Turnover. Jersey number 9. Nagbaba ng bola para sa White. Surveying the floor. Backdoor. Yeah, bad pass. Interception yan. Ng 12. Hinaharas pa rin siya ng 9. Steal ng 16. Penetrate. No basket. Defensive rebound ng block. Pass break sa 2. It's a traveling violation. Turnover. A minute and 20. David receiving the ball. Jersey number 9. Backdoor. Pasa sa backdoor. Interception. Pass break yan. Sa 12. On the left side. Penetrate. And throws a foul. From jersey number 0. A minute to go in this first period. First throw. Overshoot. Second throw. One out of 2. 2-point lead block. Less than a minute to go in this first period. Looking for a pass. Pass to jersey number 69. Hernandez. Switch back sa 9. On top of the key. Short. Outbound. Naritig pa yon. Pass break yan kay Yap. Loses the ball. Di na receive. 31 seconds. Jersey number 9. Pass to Hernandez. On the right wing. Engaging. A pull up on the side. No basket of the ring. Defensive rebound ng block. Dying second. Pass break yan. Binigay. Drop pass ulit. Layup of the glass. Connects 2 points. Dying seconds. Overshoot end of the first period. Okay, back to the ball game, second period. White. Next arrow possession, alternate arrow for black. Second period. 15-11. White down by 2 ball possession. Atake ngayon. Kapula, perimeter, short. Defensive rebound, deflected. Atake ngayon, Says crossover move, a pull up. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng double 7. Nangahasil ng 7. Double teaming na 18. Naipit na. Inward pass. 26. And traveling violation. Narattle na sa depensa. Turnover. Jersey number 16. Inaras. Nakasundutan. Steal. Complete steal by jersey number 77. Pasa sa 26 na yan. Side step drop. No basket. Defensive rebound 19. Attack and tres. Engaging, penetrate, no basket, denied. Jersey number 77. All the way, no basket. Offensive rebound. Binigay ulit. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Ready 6. The left wing aim for 3. Short. And jersey number 26 retrieves the ball and foul. Jersey number 3. Asa na yan sa aim for 3 on the left wing, overshoot. Scrambling for the ball. Backs out yan para sa block. Take the Says crossover move all the way and draws the foul. Foul. Jersey number 9. Awarded ang free throw. No basket. Second throw, no basket again. Walang conversion sa free throw. Backs out ng White. Atake 9. Drop pa sa doble 7. Pull up, basket. 13. 15. One ball possession advantage para sa block. Nakakita 27. Penetrate sa baseline. Hinaras. Almost a steal. Atake 19. Naipit. Pull up, no basket. Defensive rebound ng White. Atake ngayon 9. Outnumbered 3-1. Pull up. No basket. Dinirap pass. Wala pa rin yan. Defensive rebound na yan. Para sa block. All the way. Dinirap pass lang yan. Atake sa baseline. No basket. Pass break sa double 7. 2-1. Pasa sa 9. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Deadlock. First deadlock. Time out. Block. back to the ball game. First deadlock, 15-all within 7 minutes. Remaining time in this first half. Nangahasil yung double 7 round. Inward pass, turn around shot, short. Defensive rebound wide, pass break. Sa 9. All the way to the hoop and Rose and traveling violation. Jersey number 16 setting up the play for block, scouting the floor. On the left wing, attack. Ooh, it's a traveling violation. Turnover. Within 6 minutes remaining time in this first half. Deadlock score, 15-all. Discarding double 7. On the left wing, in and out. Defensive rebound para sa block. Pass break sa design. Drives through, sidestep, layup, connects 2 points. And block breaks the tie. 17-15. 2-point lead block. Inward pass, kick out ulit. On the left wing, atake sa baseline yun. Drop pa sa big man. And throws sa foul. Awarded ang free throw yan. Sure. Air ball. First throw. Second throw. One out of 2. An even score, 1-point lead block. 17-16 official score. Within 5 minutes remaining time. Mendoza. Inward pa sa 19. Nakaras. Kick out. Penetrate ang 3. Na-denied. Natapitan yung steal. Jack pass lang yan. Penetrate. No basket. No basket again. Another attempt. No basket. Defensive rebound ng 3. Okay, jersey number 16. Penetrate 18. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. Pass break yan. Sa double 7. Naras. Mandatory substitution. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Sa backdoor ang pasa. Loses the ball. Turnover. Corner, atake, 7. Pass to Yap. Penetrate ang 2. Naharas. Steal. Pass break sa 9. Interception by jersey number 7. Then sa East. Perimeter shot of the ring. And foul. A loose ball foul. Jersey number 7. right wing, atake 16. Penetrate, ipit, hesitate, and layup, shoot. Defensive rebound na. Pass break sa 2. Turn around shot. Wala! Defensive rebound 9. Pass break sa 69. Andes. Penetrate. Naka-penetrate yun and traveling violation. Bao loses the ball. On the right wing, aim for 3, off the ring, defensive rebound and foul by jersey number 16. Sideline throw in para sa block. Sa 26. On the right wing, in corner, no basket, shoot. Defensive rebound, 24, 2-3 situation and draws a foul from jersey number 7. Siete. Within 2 minutes, disperse up, first throw, overshoot. Second throw. In and out. Box out yan ng 7. Inaharasan 7. Pasa sa 2. Penetrate all the way and loses the ball. Turnover. Backdoor and face. Naipit. Turnaround shot. And draws a foul. Jersey number 9. Yup. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. 1 out of 2. 3-point lead. Jersey number 12. Asa sa Mary Kiyap, perimeter of the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Para sa White. Yun na natapikan. Almost a steal. Shot clock down to 14. Shoots back to the 6. Low post. Denied. Block. By jersey number 26. Ari 26. Atake sa baseline. Within 50 seconds in this first half, shot clock winding down. On top of the key, nothing but glass. Tinaras, tinapitan. Almost a steal. "43 seconds. On the right wing, aim for 3, off the ring, offensive rebound, takes and pop, denied. Atake 26, all the way and draws a foul. Jersey number 16. Basket, first throw. 23 seconds. Ooh, basket count, 2 for 2, 22-17. Dying seconds, shot clock off. Shot clock off. Dying seconds. 10 seconds. Low post. Shoot. Shoot again. Air ball. And of the first half-time break. Kuha ka. Kuha ka na. Kuha ka na. Baser, baser. Okay, back to the ball game. Second half, third period. Next arrow possession, alternating arrow, white. Third period. Change goal. Jersey number 12. Low post. Ooh, open wide. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. Picks and pop. And draws a foul from jersey number 7. First throw. Overshoot. Second throw. 1 out of 2. Point guard, nagbaba ng bola. Jersey number 77. Surveying the floor. Pass to jersey number 26, Sarmiento. Penetrate, engaging. Teardrop, basket. Jersey number 3. On the left wing, transition of a cross-court pass on the right wing. Penetration. Oh, yup. Hinaras. Steal. Steal din ang tres. Teardrop. No basket. Atake ang uno. Pass sa double 7. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. 21-23. It's 2-0 run by White. Ooh, almost a steal. Shot clock down to 17. Hinaharas ngayon ng tres. Shot clock winding down. 26 na low post. Open wide. Basket. Atake sa baseline. A clutch point. Para sa block. Sarmiento is scouting the floor. Surveying the floor. Setting up the play. Pass to jersey number 77 on the left wing of the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa block. Atake ang 12. Hinaharas ngayon ng double 7. Penetrate. And loses the ball. Ayan, 7. On the right wing, i-discarte 26. Shot clock down to 12. Shot clock winding down. On top the key, connects 3 points. And 1-point lead block. 24-25. Inward pass. Deflected steal. It's a 2-and-1. Pinasa sa double 7. A pull up. Shoot. Tinapit ang bola. Loses the ball. Last touch White. Atake ngayon ng 12. Davies. Inward pass. And foul. Hacking foul by jersey number 77. Unang hahasil ng double 7 ron. Almost a steal shot lock. Put of the ring. Pass break sa double 7 yan. 1-on-1. Basket by the and White grabs the lead. Change favor. 26-25. 1-point lead White. Pull up. No basket. Two. Steal ng 3. Naipit. Pinasa sa 26. Almost a steal. Shot lock 10. Shot clock 10. Atake sa baseline and foul. Jersey number 0. Atake sa baseline na yan and foul again. Jersey number 1, blocking foul. Shot lock down to 11. Shot lock winding down. Inward pass. Atake 26 na ipit. Kick out. On the left wing. Connects 3 points. Bumalikan lamang sa block. Change favor. 2-point lead. Block. 28-26. Sarmiento surveying the floor. Scouting the floor, penetrate. Pasa lang yan. Oops. On the right wing, atake, doble sa drop pa sa 7. Reverse left ang lalim. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot, shoot. Backs out yan para sa block. Atake 24. Pinasa, steal by jersey number 7. Jersey number 3, blocking foul, mandatory, substitution. Within 3 minutes, within 5 minutes, in this third period. Shot lock 14. On the left wing. Atake sa baseline yon. No basket. Offensive rebound. Dinrap pas ulit. Takes and pop. And draws a foul. Jersey number 19. First throw. Basket. Second row. One out of 2. Backs out yan para sa block. Pasa. Penetrate. And no basket. Defensive rebound pa rin yan. Shot lock 10. Aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound. Para sa white, jersey number 16. Nagbaba ng bola. Penetrate. Hesitate. Pass to jersey number 9. Aim for 3. Short. Same ball possession. Shot lock 11. Catch and shoot. Short. Defensive rebound niya para sa block. Pass break 2-and-2 situation. Penetrate dos and foul. Jersey number 9. (28-27). 1-point lead block. Jersey number 16. Laksa. Inward pa sa 7. Naipit. Atake sa baseline. Short. A poor shot. Okay, 16. 9, drop pass, fade away shot, basket. Kings favor, 1-point lead white. Add even score. On the right wing, aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound, 24. Hinaharas na yun ng 16. Shot lock down to 12. On the right wing. Pasa sa low post. Atake sa baseline. Reverse layup. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Crossover move pass. Break sa dos. Oh, drop pass lang yan. Catch and shoot. No basket. Binigay ulit sa dos. Penetrate. No basket again. Defensive rebound, 24. Pass break na yan. Air na. Nag-ambol yun. Steal. And sa East. On the left wing. Corner. Short. Pass break yan sa 9. Nag-fumble. And loses the ball. Turnover. Kaya Mendoza. On the left wing. Penetrate dos. Shot clock winding down. Naipit. And loses the ball. Back to the ball game. 29-28. Within 2 minutes, atake 9. Pasa lang sa baseline yan. A 4 shot. Nakuha ng 16, another attempt. And draws a foul. Jersey number 18. Okay, first draw. A minute and 50 in this third period. Second draw. It's a 2-4-2. 3-point lead White. Starting ngayon, jersey number 16. Setting up the play for Black. Pick and roll. Pass to jersey number 2. On the left wing, atake 7 all the way. And draws a foul. Jersey number 16. First throw, no basket. Second row. No basket again, no conversion, pero box out sila. Shot lock down to 10. Atake and dos. On the charity lane, connects 2 points. 30-31. A minute and 15 in this third period. Kayang 9. Orchestrating the play, inward pass, penetrate, and traveling violation. Turnover. Atake na kagad ng 16. All the way, offensive foul. The jersey number 16. Within 50 seconds in this third period. Jersey number 9 orchestrating the play. Penetrate, pasa lang on the corner, right corner. Shot clock winding down, knock po ang lalim. Loose ball, 36 seconds. Okay, jersey number 16. On the left wing, switch back, Mendoza. On the right wing, transition of play. Atake ang dos, hinaharas. Jump ball. White ball. 20 seconds remaining time. Dying seconds. Dying seconds. 10 seconds remaining time in this third period. Aim for 3 of the ring. Dying seconds. Fast break. End of the third period. Back to the ball game. Last and final quarter. Rock. Jumble. Block. Out of possession. White. Inward pass of Eddie Saiz. Perimeter of the ring. Oop, and loose ball foul with jersey number 0. A loose ball foul. Okay, back to the ball game. Shot clock 12. Inward pass, deflected. Shot clock down to 7. Shot clock down to 7. Kick out, the left wing of the ring. Offensive rebound, pallet shot, short again. And foul, a loose ball foul. Jersey number 26. A push. Scotty and White. 31-30. White leading by 1 point. SSH. Kick out on top of the key. No basket. Steal on tres. Pass break sa 12 binaksak ulit sa 3. Kick out on the left wing. Shot lock down to 10. Deflected. Shot lock down to 8. Shot lock down to 8. Aim for 3. Short. Nakuha ng uno yan para sa White. Pinasa sa doble 7. All the way to the hoop and draws the foul. Jersey number 2. Within 8 minutes remaining time in this final quarter. First throw. Basket. Second row. Basket again, 2 for 2. 33-30. 3-point lead White. On the left wing. Cross-court pass to jersey number 3. Inward pass sa 19. Naipit sa dalawa. Atake sa baseline 26. Nag-hesitate. Naipit. Kick out. On the left wing. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Another deadlock. 33 all within 8 minutes. In this final quarter. Shot lock down to 14. Aim for 3, air ball. Substitution. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 16, catch and shoot. Off the ring, aim for 3. Offensive rebound, 19. Reverse layup, no basket and defensive rebound, 11. Hinaras. And draws a foul. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, ang foul. It's back sa 11 yan. On the right wing. Penetrate daw. Nakita sa low position. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock winding down. A pull up. Basket mid-range change. And White breaks the tie. 35-32. Dosa. At 19 all the way to the hoop. Denied! Hinaharas ang doble 7. Drives, drop pass lang sa 9, catch and shoot, no basket. And loses the ball. Last touch block, substitution. Shot clock 14. Pull up, shoot. There's a big foul. Jersey number 19. Shot clock reset to 14. Aim for 3. Short. Jumping for the ball. Nakuha ng 16 sa ilalim. Pass sa 24. Perimeter. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. Wala pa rin. Nothing but glass. Tinapik ang bola. Nakuha ng 12 yan. Pasa sa 16, layup, shoot. Another attempt, and draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 77. Hello. Shout out siya, sir. Final quarter. Basket again. Another deadlock. 35 all. Jersey number 9 scouting the floor, setting up the play. As jersey number 11 penetrates, engaging. Layup, no basket. Offensive rebound, Shete. Nasa sa 16. On the left wing, aim for 3, short. Box out pa rin yan ng White. Sa side, short again. Defensive rebound. Ang 26, sinaharas sa waistline. Nakakawala yun. 3-2 situation, layup. Connects 2 points. And block, breaks the tie. 2-point lead para sa White. Sa block. Nangahasol pa yung 12. Take 9, teardrop, off the ring, defensive rebound. This is 8. with ang bola. 16. Aim for 3. Of the ring. Defensive rebound 11. Within 5 minutes remaining time. Atake 11. No basket. Defensive rebound. 19. Rubio, paasa sa 19 yan. Denied. Scrum break for the ball. Technical bench. Technical bench. Block. Technical throw. Time out. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 52. 1 point lead block. Number 12 on the left wing, atake sa baseline yon. Layup, shoot. Another naipit pa sa baseline and draws the foul. Doble 7. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. One out of two. 38-36. One ball possession advantage para sa block. Diskarte, offensa ang White. Penetrate, drop pass sa 11. Pull up, connects 2 points. Another deadlock, 38-all. Jersey number 16. Penetrate. Pass sa 18. And foul. Jersey number 26. Atake sa baseline, 26, naipit and throws a foul. Jersey number 69. Shot clock 14. Kaya sa 12. Hinaharas yung 12. Drop pass lang yan. Ooh, hinaras. And big ball. Turnover. Time out. Okay, back to the ball game. Four minutes and 1 second in this final quarter. Back to the ball game. Double setter on the left wing. Nakita sa low post, 69. Inward pass again. Penetrate, layup, off the glass, connects 2 points. And White breaks the tie. 2-point lead White. Inward pass, intercepted the bad pass. Kaki double sete, nakita. Ooh! Foul. Jersey number 16. Shot clock 14 within 3 minutes. Shot clock winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. On the right wing, aim for 3. Off the ring, offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. Put back. Basket. It's 2-0 Rambali White. 2-ball possession advantage for White. Kaki 26, sinaharas. Shot lock down to 10 and foul. Jersey number 26. Right wing. Atake ngayon. Layup. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Box out siya ng 11 and foul. Penalty. Jersey number 3. Penalty situation block. Jersey number 3. 5 personal foul. Fouled out. Draw. Nakakover sa iyo. Penetrate. And foul basket. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, 4th personal foul. Sa block. Ay sa White. One shot and one, wala. Box out siyang para sa White. Kaki 16. Within 2 minutes remaining time. Shot lock down to 10. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa block. Last 2 minutes. Still by jersey number 16. Shot lock down to 12. Penetrate, not deflect. Pull up, denied, block. Shot lock. Shot lock violation. Turnover. A minute and 36 in this final quarter. 2-point lead. Wise. Game for 3 short. Defensive rebound. Wise. Atake ni Says all the way short. Tinapik. Short again. Nakakuha pa rin ang White yan. Shot lock. Down to 8. Shot lock 5. Shot lock violation. Turnover. Timeout. Block. A minute and 5 in this final quarter. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 5 in this final quarter. 2-point lead. White. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Kay 12, pasa. Oh, loses the ball. Turnover. A minute to go. A minute to go in this final quarter. Shot clock down to 14. On the left wing, atake 9. Tasa sa big man, drop pass to 16. Shot lock, winding down. Defensive rebound yan. Atake ang 12. Foul. Penalty, both teams. 25 seconds remaining time. Both teams in penalty. Basket. Second throw. Box out pa rin yan ang White. Foul. Penalty. Jersey number 26 yung last foul. Penalty situation. Timeout White. Back to the ball game. $19 seconds remaining time. Both teams in penalty situation. second throw. Again, 2-4-2. Equal possession advantage para sa White. Dying seconds, 19 seconds, shot clock off. Aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound. Foul. Penalty. Jersey number 16 yung i-foul. 13 seconds remaining time. 13 seconds. Basket. Second throw. Uh, 19.